Most social protection systems in the world, and particularly in Latin America, which is the region of the world that I know best, were designed in the 1930s and in the 1940s. And the conditions of the world have changed drastically since then, but systems have not. So systems have become outdated to the reality of what most workers are living through. And as a result, there's a huge challenge in updating the vision and the regulations and the institutions associated with social protection to reflect really what is happening in the 21st century. Well, the first one is the need to update and to change. A second very important one is that there's not going to be a one-size-fits-all. One really needs to think about the capabilities of each country, the capabilities of the state, but also the institutions, also their history, their level of income, and then to try to design a system that makes conceptual sense, that has the incentives aligned in the right direction, but at the same time, that reflects the underlying reality of the country where this system is supposed to work. If a consensus can be built on the need for reform, and a consensus could be built around the basic elements of reform, not recipes, but the conceptual elements of what the reform should be, that would be very valuable because it would ease the task for policymakers of only taking these principles and adapting them to the countries if there was sort of a clear vision of where things want to go. So if from these sort of seminars and discussions, a vision like that can emerge, I think that would be very valuable.